All right, in step number 2, we're going to set up the automated email sequence, and you might be thinking this is a bit backwards, but we're going to set up the email sequence first, and then in step number 3, we're going to customize our landing page, and you'll see why we do it. Email first and then landing page. So what you're going to do is go over to emails, and we're going to click on campaigns, and then what you'll do is click create, and then you name it whatever you want to name it. So viral funnel email campaign. Again, you can change this at any time. We'll hit save campaign. And we're going to click the name right here, the viral funnel email campaign, and we're going to click add an email right here. I just like to use plain black and white background, black text. If you want to customize it with some images in that, I go for simple, so I use the classic editor, click create. We'll create a subject line, and you have your email. There is a link down below, and I give you access to this one email that you can use. Now, if you purchase the Fast Track to Profits upgrade, you get 10 of these emails that you can literally just copy and paste. However, on the free training, you're just getting this first email. This is good to get started. I highly recommend adding 2 to 5 more emails behind this email. Again, Fast Track to Profits, you can invest it down below. Just click the green button and you'll get 10 done for your email campaign. So what we're going to do is we'll paste the subject line, click create, and now we're going to create our email. Your email address should be here, your sender name should be here, and we're going to go back to our Google Docs, and we're just going to copy this entire thing, and we got a couple things to edit. We'll copy that, we'll paste it. I don't want it in all bold, and then we'll just scroll through. So replace with link, we'll delete this, and what you want to do is hyperlink. This is going to your training page. So what we're going to do is go back to the funnel. I like having a couple of tabs open, and you're going to go to your training page right here, and this is the URL path. It should be your custom domain right here, and then whatever it is you call it. Mine is training, but you can call it whatever you want. You just click this button right here. It's copied. We'll go back over. We'll click this little link here. We'll paste it here. We'll click OK, and now that is a live link. We'll scroll through. We'll delete, replace your link here. We'll do the same process as here. Copy it and paste it there. We'll scroll down. If you want to make any changes to these emails, you're more than welcome to do so. I like to hit enter twice, and then I'll put my name. And that is really it. You just copy and paste it. We'll scroll up. The subject line looks good. And then what you'll do is you can save and send a test email right here. You can save it, or you can save and publish. So for this example, I'm just going to save and publish. And what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to send this out immediately. So we're going to go 0 hours, and it's going to go out right away. And it doesn't come after any emails because this is our very first email in our email sequence. If you wanted to send it on a specific time, you could do so. If you want to send it on a specific day, you can do so. For this example, we're just going to keep it as it is and click publish. We have our first email set up. Whoops, it says 1 hour. Let's edit that. I'm not sure why. Just open it back up. We'll click 0, we'll click save. So 0 hours or 0 minutes means this email will be sent out right away. And then like I said, if you did not purchase the Fast Track to Profits upgrade, I definitely recommend clicking add an email and just adding a second, a third, a fourth, and a fifth. If you click Fast Track to Profits, I'll have some additional videos on how to set that up, but all you do is click add an email and just copy and paste like we just did with this first email. So now we have our first email set up and ready to go. What we're going to do is go back over to our funnel. We'll click here. And then what you want to do, let me open up my funnel. And then what you want to do is select your opt-in page. So for this example, we're just going to go with this top opt-in page here. What you need to do is click on automation rules here. And then you want to set up triggers. So this is when someone opts in, they are added to your email sequence. It's very simple to do. You just click this plus sign over on the right-hand side and subscribe to campaign. So there's a lot of actions we can do. We could do subscribe to campaign, unsubscribe, we could add a tag, we could remove a tag, we can send an email to a specific address, we could enroll them in a training or a course of ours, and send a webhook. For this example, we're going to go subscribe to campaign, and then we're going to drop down and we are going to select our campaign that we just created called the Viral Funnel Email Campaign. Click there, click Save Rule. And now we have our automated email sequence attached to our funnel here. Maybe you want to add a tag, a specific tag to a person. So what you can do is I just like opening this on a new tab. And we'll go over to tags and we're going to create a new tag. So we'll add new tag. And then we'll say viral funnel demo. We'll click save. We'll go back to our funnel, the automation rules. We need to refresh this page just so the tags reload up, and we're going to click on automation rules once again here. Again, we already got it subscribed to a campaign. We're going to click the plus sign. We're going to add a tag here, and then we're going to choose our tag. So we're going to look for that viral funnel demo tag that we just created right here. Click save. Now this user or now this lead will be tagged with a specific tag, and this just helps you segment kind of your leads and to figure out where they came from, what funnel they opted into, and things of that sort. So it's completely optional, but if you want to have your contacts sorted out a little bit better, it's nice to have a little tag. I typically add a tag on every landing page just so I know where they came from. But that is how you set up tags. And if you're going to use any of these other landing pages, like let's say version 2, again, if you upgraded with Fast Track to Profits, or if you created a new opt-in page, you have to do these automation rules on each landing page. Learn from my mistakes. I forgot to do that a couple times, and my leads never got opted in. So what we'll do is click plus, subscribe to campaign. We'll select the viral campaign here. Let's add them to the tag we just created. And there, and then we'll click save. And again, you would do that for version 3 as well if you had multiple landing pages. Obviously, you're only running traffic to one landing page, but maybe if you want to split test it or test a different landing page because one might not be working, you could set up a second, a third landing page. But again, each landing page you set up, make sure you set up these automation rules. It's very important.